Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared so that you will know how to go about it, and of course you will be able to practice very well before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out in today's video. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. After getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing more of a yellow flag than a red flag. Okay, and it kept on going up, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it came down a bit, but still had a pullback, but still it went back again. Okay, it went down again, so this is still selling more. It will be trying out this support zone again to see if it will break out below it. Once it breaks out below it, it will sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It started a downtrend right from here, which came to an end around this support zone, so it's trying to go back on uptrend, was unable to go above this, so it came down a bit, still went back up again, broke out from this, and of course got to another high and was still on and still unable to break out above it, and of course it came down a bit. Once it is done with the pullback, it will go back up again to try out this resistance zone to see if it will break out above it. So we should experience more of a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This had been on downtrend for long, got to this support zone, was unable to go below it, so it started an uptrend right from there, even though it just crashed after getting to this resistance zone, and of course it will be going back there to try it out again. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 started a downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag, and it started selling till it got to this support zone. After getting to this support zone, it was unable to go below it, and of course it started buying right from there. So that is why we have a yellow flag and the blue arrow, and of course this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset we'll be checking out is going to be V75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from here, and of course you can see the red flag gave us a smooth ride from the resistance zone down to the support zone, and it is still selling. If it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back into a buy trend, but for now it is still selling. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it. You should practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.